logo à primeira vista temos aqui uma excelente caixa, tendo em conta o preço dela.
Front panel of the box, fan controller, 2 USB 3.0 ports, reset button, disc reader, a power button, dual jack for headphones and a microphone, also has 2 USB 2.0 ports and RGB fan control button. At the top of the box we have a removable anti-dust filter with magnet. Moving to the back, we already have a RGB fan and 8 expansion ports and the source sides. Here you can find the fan controller and the front panel of the box control, also of which are connected by a SATA cable. It also includes 2 vanes for HDD discs. Inside we have a GPU protection, and also small holes for better cable management.